What's going on, people, and welcome back. Today we have an unboxing video, something a little bit different, but me personally, I'm a nerd and I like to watch these unboxing videos, so I thought, why the hell not? I'm upgrading my studio at the minute. I'll do a video on that soon, but let's get this bad boy open. No, I don't have a knife. I'm just using the toolie, you get me? Screwdriver thing. I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand. Oh shit. Alright, we're open. Wait, I'm out of focus. Yeah, we're open. I'm not very good with the toolie, you get me? It's from Digital Village. I don't know if they want to sponsor me or anything, but man always buys stuff from there, either there or Andertons. Alright. Got the Clarity M stereo. Oh man, I love getting new gear and shit to play with, man. I love this shit. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. Alright, so this is the Clarity M stereo from TC Electronic. Very highly reviewed piece of equipment. I don't know if anyone else is obsessed with metering at the moment the way that I am, but I'm really trying to get my head around it a little bit more, and I thought that this would help me out in that respect. So let's get this open. Well, we've got some little bit of sellotape. There's the borer. Bruv, some of you draw artists need to teach me how to use one of these things, because clearly I'm not. Hold on. Alright, we're open. Alright, let's see what's inside. So we got a, I don't know, what is this? This quick start guide with an Allen key. I don't know why the hell I'd need an Allen key for this. I don't know what the hell is going to be in here now. But this is the actual unit. Look at that. Lovely. I'm guessing the Allen key maybe is for the stand on the back. Put that down here. What's this now? I'm guessing this is the power supply. Let's see. I hate when they do this. Oh no, this is the American joint or the European joint. I think hopefully on the actual plug is the British one. Hold on, let me put this camera down again. There we go. I was about to get aggy. I won't even lie to you. It's cool. We've got the power plug and the adapters if you're from the US or France or whatever. And this is the cable. Rah. Hold on, I need to set this down because this is kind of mad. Hold on. Alright, so I've multi-purpose my mic stand to make a little camera stand. We're going to open this properly now. Alright, so these are our output wires to go from whatever audio source you're using into the actual meter. Okay, that's interesting. So we can go XLR out if we wanted to this cable here, which is, I believe it's an optical in/out. One of these mad joints. This is crazy, man. What? Alright, so how I'm planning on doing it is on my Focusrite, which is behind this box down there. I actually have an optical out on there, which is perfect. So I'm guessing I can just plug that into the optical out and then that into the Clarity M. But if you didn't have such connection, you'd guess you could use the XLR, and I'm not sure if this is just a standard like 1/4" jack socket. I'm not sure, possibly, but we'll test it out and see in a second. But yeah, that's the unboxing. There's nothing else. And oh yeah, USB. If you wanted to use USB, you can do that. I'm personally not going to, because one, I'm out of USB space, if I'm honest with you, and also I don't know, I just don't want it to feel like a plug-in, you know. I want it to feel like a piece of hardware rather than a plug-in. So anyway, let's set this bad boy up. Let me see this again because this looks sweet. This is gonna look so good just on my desk. Can't wait. All right, I'm gonna open this up. I really don't want to drop this, I'm telling you. So these are about, I bought this for £210 off of Digital Village DV 24/7. You can get them, there's your outputs there. So you're either going to put it into a USB or a, like, I don't know what you call those, like VGA cables, VGA sockets. But yeah, I got this from Digital Village for £210. Like you can see me in the background there with no trim. It is quarantine. I can see my mic stand, camera stand, bruv. Anyway, so yeah, I got this from Digital Village for £210. They're about that. I've seen some for like 270. You just have to shop around a little bit. But yeah, let's set this up. So we did have an Allen key. I don't know if that is to, okay, so on the bottom here we've got 2 Allen key screws. So we're gonna put that Allen key, just dashed it down. This is a bit booky, I can't lie. When you buy studio equipment, you don't expect to have to fucking IKEA flat pack it together. So hopefully these are the only screws you have to trouble. And it comes off. What? Okay. There's no hinge or anything. Am I being dumb? All right, let me read the instructions because I ain't trying to break this right now. Let's read the instructions. Okay, I think I know what to do. No, I'm lying. I don't know what to do. So it was like this before. I think maybe just flip it around like that. Yeah, that looks about right. Bruh, listen, I can't do DIY, you know. That's why I'm a studio man that just sits in a studio all day. I can't be putting together shit, man. Shit. Man's giving me work to do and that. Man spent the 2 bills and they're expecting me to screw in screws and shit, man. What is this? Fucking hell, mate. Alright, let's try this again. Bruh, come on, man. What is this? Alright, if my hands are dry as well, I wasn't really expecting to get my hands on here like this, but please bear in mind that there is a pandemic happening and I have to wash my hands like every 5 seconds. And sometimes the moisturizing thing is a bit of a sticky one still. Yeah, my hands are dry as well. Shit. This is why I wasn't meant to be a YouTube tuber. Alright. There you go. And that just sits on your desk like that. With me in the background. Alright, cool. So I'm planning just to have this sit here, to be honest. So this is my desk. And I figured that this could just sit here in a nice kind of, put my flash on. That made no difference. Alright, yeah, so this is my desk. Again, I'm going to do a little tour on this at a later date. When I finish my little upgrade. Yeah, let's plug this bad boy in. Okay, so after all of that smack I was talking about not wanting to use USB and how I was acting like an expert, I ran into a little bit of a roadblock. I thought that one of these cables will plug directly into the Focusrite. I should have done my research, but apparently, or well, not apparently, but I think I need to buy one of these cables to plug into there and then plug into the Focusrite. I could be wrong. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think that is what I have to do. But luckily, I had one of these optical output leads that I use with my PlayStation to get PlayStation from the sound of my PlayStation to my speakers. So hopefully this is going to work now. But I guess there's one way to find out. I'm not sure if I need to set anything up on my Focusrite software. I'm not sure. We've got SPDIF outputs, but I'm not sure where optical outputs are. Should we give it a go? All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a tune. What should we play? Play some Jay-Z. All right, let's turn this on. I don't even know where the on switch is. Bro, I'm moving very silly. On switch, on switch, on switch. Can't even see because... Can you see an on switch on here? Ooh, it's just come on. All right, let me get out the reflection. Let's see what this is saying. Okay. So we have life. Have life on the meter, and it's a really nice display, I gotta say. You probably can't really tell from the video, but it is a really nice display. I've obviously got this plastic still on the top of it. Optical, I see a sign that says optical. So there is probably something I have to do on here. I'm sure there's some fucking nerd watching this right now saying, "You fucking idiot, I can't believe you don't know what you're doing and you're making a YouTube video, you fucking fool." I don't know what I'm doing, all right? I admit it. I've never used SPDIF in my life. Don't even know what it is. So if I unplug this optical lead, does it stop saying optical at the top? It doesn't. Right, so that's not necessarily a sign that it's working. All right, you lot, this is why I'm not a YouTuber. I've been doing the most, trying to get this set up, and I just couldn't do it. I tried everything. I got like 10 cables out. This candle dropped. And I just couldn't get it connected. I tried the optical out or whatever, blah, 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 blah. Couldn't get it connected. And I gave up. Had some breakfast because I hadn't eaten yet. Sometimes you just need to take 5 and eat something. Ate something, decided to read this properly while I was eating. And I saw that it said, "with included BNC to RCA adapter." And I was like, shit, included. That means that in the box, there's some sort of adapter. Obviously, I actually looked properly in the box rather than just being gassed and dashing everything out whilst trying to record this video. And I found this. This is what I needed the whole flipping time. So this, I believe, goes on to... Sorry, just shaking you about. Goes on to this. And then that goes into the Focusrite. Now, I've never seen, well, I have seen them, but I've never had to use anything like this before. Like this kind of stuff here is for like when you're recording to tape and shit like that. I think. I could be wrong there. It's for like digital to analog converters and stuff like that. And obviously I don't use any analog. Anyway, let me just connect this and get this running. Just thought I would add this in just to let you know that I am not an expert in any form. I'm just someone that's been doing this long enough to kind of sort of know what they're talking about, but don't really know what they're talking about. All right, now do I need to configure anything on here? So input optical. Oh my days. We're in, lads. Cool. And then this. Okay, we're moving. We did it, lads. We did it. All right, so that basically this should have been like a 5-minute video where I set this up and make it look really easy, but instead it has been This has taken me maybe like an hour and a half, probably longer, maybe even 2 hours. So let this be a lesson to all of you lot out there. Just take time, eat breakfast, make sure you check all the contents of the box, and make sure you read the instruction manual, and you'll be sweet. But yeah, this is the Clarity M stereo metering device. My camera is not very good. The exposure is not very good because it's just my phone camera, so it's not really doing the screen any justice. But this bad boy is hopefully gonna help me a little bit get better at gain staging and things like that. That's kind of what I'm trying to work on at the moment, is getting my mixer sounding loud without sounding shitty, and etc. So you guys are going to be joining me on that journey. I don't really need to do a review on this. There's plenty out there, but I just wanted to do an unboxing because I don't know, I just wanted to. And yeah, if you're using a Focusrite like I am, you have to change your SPDIF outputs and make them, like mine is DAW 1 and 2, and that's basically everything that's coming off my computer. So that should also mean if I play a MP3 as well, yeah, look, perfect, brilliant. Okay, so yeah, man. I hope that was it. I don't even know what to say to end this, because that probably wasn't helpful, probably wasn't even interesting. But welcome to a day in the life of Josh. I'll see you guys soon, right? Laters, peace.